Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the fingerprint or the handprint over a white sheet and then complete it or outline it using black marker. Draw the teeth of the dinosaur, then make its eyes. Now we will draw its legs and hands like this. Color it using green color and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the imprints of yellow color dots like this. Now make the leaves of the pineapple, put the black color dots on it and it's ready. Next, make a bouquet-like shape on the white sheet. Now take a fruit foam net and put the pink color over it. Now imprint it on the white sheet like this and put some dark pink color over it little bit like this. And then put the green color leaves like this on the between of the flowers. Make some leaves using green color. Now after that, give it a finishing touch like this. Color it using different colors of your choice and it's ready. Next, put the flower vase like this over the white sheet of a paper. Now take a straw and cut it. Now take the pink color over it and imprint it on the white sheet like this. Put the flowers one by one. Now put the yellow color in the between using the brush. Draw the stems and leaves using green color and the brush like this and it's ready. Next, take a white color paper, fold it like this from the between and again turn it upward. Now make a gift box over it like this. Outline it using black color marker, make a bow on the top. Now open the paper. Now in the between space, make different chocolates, candies and balloons like this. Now using different colors of your choice, fill the color inside it one by one and your gift box is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a small tissue paper, fold it like this. Now roll it in the same manner. Cut it using the scissor. Now color it using red color on the top. Fill the pink color like this. Put the brown color in the between. Now open it and then take a white sheet and draw the stems and leaves over it like this using green color marker. Make the leaves and then color it. Now we will take the paper cuttings which we have made. Put the brown color clay and put the paper over it and fix it using the stick like this. Press it and fix it and it's ready. Next, take a blue sheet, cut it out in the same manner as shown in the video and paste it over the white sheet like this. Now draw the lines on it as we have done. Now take the foam net and then take the green color on it and imprint it on the white sheet like this and then put the dots one by one very carefully. Now put the pink color dots over it using the earbuds like this and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and color it with blue crayon like this. Now spread it using the tissue paper. Now make a tree over it using the black color like this. Draw the stems and branches of the tree as we are making it. Draw its branches and color it. You can use dark brown color of it. Now take the red color and make the flowers and leaves over it like this. We are making a cherry blossom tree, you can say. Put the red dots and then put some red dots around the tree and spread it using the tissue paper like this. Sprinkle it and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.